By trade, I'm a computational mathematician. My passion's always been in education. I kind of saw that the world was trending towards computer vision and machine vision integrated with robotics, a lot of this automation type stuff. I wanted to jump back and bring all the knowledge of the machine vision industry and computer vision and combine that into a robotics program. And so that was kind of the formation of STEM Enrichment Academy. STEM Enrichment Academy is, enhanced education through robotics and computer vision-based projects. The idea is, we take real-world applications and challenges that are being seen in various industries, and we kind of reduce the scope slightly, and then present those same challenges and problems that are happening in industry today to the students, and we help guide them in coming up and coming up with solutions using a robotics and machine vision component.
We're learning how to build and program a conveyor belt and a sorting machine so that the conveyor belt and the sorting machine would correspond with each other.
The last couple of days at this camp was fun. Wow.
Each student had their own inspection station, so they're able to capture their own images and then bring that and load those images into the software for the smart camera. And then they were able to take those images and run some processing on it, and then upload their job file to the smart camera. So then on the live conveyor and on the live feeder and escapement they could see that work. They had spent a lot of time and a lot of hard work, and they did work together and individually in building these conveyors, and then finally to hook up the camera and program the camera and try putting all the little pieces together. Finally, they wanted to see that work.
The conveyor belt would make the objects or whatever you were making go down and onto the sorting machine. The sorting machine would have a camera attached to it, which would take a picture or kind of video what the shape is, and depending on the shape, whatever you programmed it to, it would sort it left or right depending on what you set it to.
Some of the students were very determined on getting the solution themselves.
It would sort, but it wouldn't always capture the image of the object. I say David is he's cool. He knows how to teach us, he knows how to let us experience this by ourselves, and if we need help, he'll help us, but he won't go as far as to do it for us. He'll let us do it.
And so what our program does, we call it our Robot Vision Fundamentals program. It sets a foundation for everything needed, and then the next step is introducing the students to real-world applications, scaled down a little bit, and have them have their shot at coming up with their own solutions, and building their solutions using robotics and computer vision. But the applications that we're solving come from any industry out there. During this camp, we hope that they work together to build a functioning sorting machine, and then also to understand some of the concepts of image acquisition and how to set up a camera and a lens, and we talk about working distance and a little bit about focal length. The students love the challenge, and they love getting stumped, and they really enjoy that. We let them stumble through that and try to come up with their own solutions and depend on each other, and that grows bonding, and a lot of friendships are made out of this. Even though the students are challenged, they still have a lot of fun.
I would definitely take this camp again, and I would highly recommend it to others.
I found this class interesting, and I'd definitely take it again.